Alright, got the little T-28 picked up for 50 bucks. Well, 65 bucks. He wanted 50, I gave him basically 65. Very calm day. Got the hat cam on a new mount, so hopefully this is in screen here and centered up. This is on a 3S 2200. Come down here to the end, sorry for the bouncing. Alright, let's focus on keeping it in a little tighter.
Yeah, that's a favorite airplane of a lot of people.
Oh yeah? This is the first T-28 I've ever flown or owned.
Yeah. Are you filming this? Or?
Yeah, uh-huh.
No, you can get it so slow the tail drops down and you can fly around like that.
Oh yeah, on a high alpha?
Huh?
On a high alpha, you mean?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I figured this is basically a warbird, you know?
Wind, but I know I slowed mine down so much the tail drops a little,
Mm-hmm.
and you're just pulling it on the prop real slow.
Huh, on the little Parkzone like this?
Yeah.
Huh.
Get it up and try it. Don't do it slow.
Well, what fun is that? Well, she almost stalled there. But you're right, it almost come to a complete stop.
Shoot in the wind, but I swear to you, I've had the tail drop down some, and it's really funny flying on the prop. It's a fun airplane. And you can set it up with it too bad anything. I know I've seen them with 4 cells in them and they just tear up the sky.
4-cell in this size?
Yeah.
Wow.
First time I saw a 4-cell in there, it was at the Grapevine. The guy went straight up. I mean, and he never did lose any speed. He probably had a bigger motor in it and a bigger prop.
Well, this is just a little 3-cell.
Yeah. Oh, it flies straight, man.
Yeah, it's got plenty of power.
Yeah, I told Preston I'd look at the cell frame an airplane or two, as long as they're cheap.
Well, you could get him a nitro plane. Nitro engine, you know.
Oh, no. I told him to stay away from those. I said, your problems are going to multiply if you get it. Remember, he doesn't have any source.
Well, yeah, but it'd be a good experience for him to learn how to work on the engine and stuff.
Yeah, I told Cody yesterday he played on that simulator, you know, the guy I'm trying to train.
Uh-huh, yeah. Yeah, how did he do on the buddy box?
Got there and he was just all over the place on the simulator. The time I got with him, showed him about the drop wing and all that, you know, coming in as the wing drops, how to get it to level out. He was doing a whole lot, I mean 100% better. And he was landing a whole lot better. I told him he needed to set the simulator up on the landing program part of it and do nothing but landing. I said, when you get 10 of them in a row and you don't crash, you're probably ready to come out and try to land it out here.
Right.
So, but Preston was on a simulator for months before he came out, okay?
So did Cody, you think he's going to take to this? You have a lot of excitement for it?
He's really excited about it. They're all glued to it to begin with. I've already told his parents, don't go out and get him an airplane until he can, you know, let me get him past the initial steps.
Sure.
And his mom made the comment that she didn't want to see him quit this in a month or two down the line. And I said, yeah. But he lives way out by the racetrack. So she comes into work and I met her, probably 7-8 miles from my house. And the traffic killed her yesterday. She had to deal with a wreck on the freeway and she was about 30 minutes late, which is okay. I told her today. And I didn't plan on flying either yesterday till he got in the car and I looked back toward the northwest and it was clear enough.
Huh.
Time we stopped and got a donut and got out here, this part was clear. It was cloudy back over there.
Well, you must have timed it just perfect, because on the Facebook group there was somebody had posted that they had came out here to go fly and it was all rainy, and when they got here and They packed up and turned around to go home, and it stopped raining and came back up here and it was raining again.
Okay. Well, it was probably a good 8:30, 8:45 when we got here.
Uh-oh, that sounds like my timer going off.
And I walked the field, I walked out to the center, and it didn't seem like it was soft. So I thought, hey, get the plane out and let him fly.
Yeah.
I am going to set that Valiant up.
Well, you know, that's a good thing about the Valiant and like this little T-28.
I'll take it over, land it, and we'll go back to the other one. I got to fix the other one. I've even got the parts. But
on these little things here, they're so light. Even if the field is soft, it really doesn't make any difference. That's a great flyer. I really want to try that FMS 1400 size.
Yeah, there's. What size battery does that take?
This one's flying on a 3S 2200.
The FMS.
Oh, I think it's a 4S 3000.
Okay.
2700 to 3300.
Yeah. I think the flies great.